trying to find my keys. Oh, they in the office, right?
Yep.
Oh, you terrible kid.
Vloggy vlog. Say good morning.
Good morning.
It's definitely afternoon.
Good morning.
Say good morning, world.
Good morning, bot.
Say good morning, Leo. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning to you, my friend Leo.
Okay, come say hi.
Say good morning.
Go what?
Say good morning.
Too bad your camera not on me.
Good morning.
It is on you, just super dark.
I'm dark.
Yeah.
I'm blacker than the couch, kid.
What? The couch not even black.
It's definitely brown.
Honk honk. Stop squeezing my fat.
Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
You gotta wait till mommy say yeah.
All right, say it again.
Are y'all ready?
Yeah!
What's up, vlog?
Gang, gang.
Say what's up.
Gang, gang.
What's up, vlog? Yeah.
Gang, gang.
What you about to do?
Gang,
No fishing.
Yeah.
gang. Gang, gang.
What you about to do, Raya?
Gang, gang.
What you about to do? Hey, what you about to do?
I don't got no hands. I don't got no feet. Ain't got no types.
Hey, what you about to do, Raya? Hey, what you about to do, Tevin? Hey, what you about to do, Leo? Hey,
It's not even hype.
shut up.
Shut up.
You supposed to be the hype man. Ah, get it one time. Ah, hit it with me 2 times. Ah, hit it with me 3 times. Ah.
It'd be good if you know how to count.
I know, right?
1, 2, 3, 4.
What?
We'll come out the 4, babies.
Go.
We'll come out
Whoa, go Tevin. Oh, go Tevin. Oh, ouch, you hit me. Leo, what's up?
What you done, Leo?
How
Day.
You better not be cursing.
Mommy.
Huh?
I'm down with Leo.
You was dabbing with Leo.
No time.
Hang out on for you.
Get it, Baba.
I'm not buying this.
Leo,
Hey, baby.
you want a friend in there?
Oh, Dad, we bought fish.
Alright, y'all. So, we about to hit the road, Jack. So I will continue the vlog when we get there. So, babe just ripped my pants. Look at that. Look at that. You can see the new world. He ripped them. He said, now go change them. I said, nope, I'm wearing them just like this. He said, no, you're not. I'm going to get his ass one day. Alright, we about to go.
Don't believe it, just watch. Don't believe it, just watch. Don't believe me, 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 just watch. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky finger to the moon.
So we at Walmart now. Yeah, I guess you should have just got this. Oh, this is heavy. There's nothing wrong with the one you got though.
Yeah, that one was free, but this one is nice.
They got motorcycles. Wait, I don't see a motorcycle. Don't step in that water. So it'll rain down on us. But I like this one too.
This is one I want.
But that's cheaper than what you wanted it for. That how much you was gonna buy it for, right?
Well, if you gonna pay $75 for this, you might as well get one.
Yeah, cause it got more room, right?
This one right here is just like at the house.
It's starting to rain again. That's alright. Come on, Baba. Taraya, come on. He gonna get you. You shut your pie hole. Yeah, you got like 5 bags of blocks at home. Come on, Taraya. Yeah, that's a hula hoop. What's that? What are those?
Pies.
I think those are too big for y'all. What y'all think?
We did one of these.
Hmm?
We did one of these.
Okay. That's a cone. I didn't know they sold mouth guards at Walmart. So this is what the football players be using to put the lines underneath their eyes. I didn't know that. I thought it was tape. Yeah, those are soccer balls. You like those. Oh, come on. Yeah. That's all they are. It's $2. Put it back to right. You don't need no helmet. Football players and baseball players need helmets. And softball players. No, because the last fish pole your daddy got you, they broke. Put it back. Put it back. You just like it because it got them sunglasses in it. Got what you needed? You want to tell them what you're going to use that net for?
I'm trying to figure out how to open it. Turtles.
Huh?
You want to go catch a turtle?
You don't anybody catch a turtle? Wow.
Catch kids too.
Hey, yeah.
did.
I didn't mean to. You okay? You got a knot. It's right there.
Yeah, you put it there.
Uh-uh.
Yes, you did.
But the black ones.
The black ones is a little more expensive. I'm surprised you ain't want this one.
So,
That one.
what, this one?
Well, the one you got break down, right?
Yeah.
Stop.
No, stop.
I made one for you and put it on your head.
These kids are funny.
But online, it looks like these ones from
No, those are better quality.
I want to hold that one. How you
You get
doing?
bigger fish in these ones too.
Let me feel it. Yeah, feel it. It's thicker and everything.
Help me.
Let's see.
I've been caught.
Make it tasty, baby.
I'm trying to, but my cheek's too tight. I don't know how to open it. Daddy does.
Daddy, can you open it?
Here, hold on. Daddy looking for his phone.
It's too heavy.
Huh? Let me hold this one.
I'm about to get you.
Stop. I wonder how much this is.
What is that? Toilet bowl.
No.
It look
silly.
like one.
This is to keep your bait alive.
But you made one of those before and it didn't work.
It didn't work.
It didn't.
Mm-hmm.
Who lied to you?
You lied to you.
I didn't lie to me. You lied to you.
You lied to you.
You lied to you.
Mm-hmm.
I did it.
Uh-huh.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
What?
Look, Daddy, I did it. I got the fish. Oh no, I just on the down track. I got
This
the
a big
turtle.
blow,
I
boy.
got a
You
track.
ain't gonna drop no fish.
On. Daddy,
Mhm.
oh, let me got a track.
You
Daddy,
got a drag.
yeah. Put it back in the water. Oh, I got a fish. Do you like fish?
Nope. I don't like to touch them. I don't like to look at them. I don't like to do anything with them.
Dad, turtle. You want the turtle?
Nope.
Eat it.
Ew. I'm not eating a turtle. Don't hit yourself in the head. That stuff hurt.
Oh no, I got fish.
That's what I was looking at too.
These are
I'm gonna order
soft.
one of these
This one big.
off of Amazon.
Oh, look at that.
This the furthest it closed?
No, it's all right. I'm waiting on the Walmart thing to download.
But it's not closing.
Fishy. Oh, that's a fish. Huh? Give me that fishy. Give me that fishy. Thanks. Honey. Better put it back in the water. I put it back in the water. I put it back in the water. The fish is in the water. Oh no, yeah, no fish. I got no fish. Thanks. Follow me, Mom.
No, thank you.
Hand me that.
Daddy! Daddy, I'm gonna catch some fish.
Ouch.
Daddy! It's a lucky fish? Are we not gonna do this? Huh?
I don't know, man. Daddy looking to see which one he wants.
Me too. I want one.
I'm only getting one. It's gonna be all of ours.
Here.
Don't cross your arms.
Oh, you want two. share this. Really. We can share this. We
And us.
and us. So you want this? Day two?
What you looking at? Another fishing pole?
So you want two, Daddy? Daddy, we want two?
Babe, what's this?
We did you.
What's this?
I got two fish.
It says hook disgorger.
Oh, the little boy needed yesterday. We put that bag on.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't hit anybody.
Is there nothing in there? Nothing.
Only nothing.
I just saw you try some trash. Oh, Mom, Dad, look at that. Mom. Mom, that's trash. You see that? You see that, y'all? You see that? You see that trash right there? You're a pile of trash.
Hmm. Babe, how much is one big lighter?
One big lighter?
Mm-hmm.
Probably like $2.
So you better off getting this. There's 6 lighters in here for $5.44.
Oh, Dad, we did playing. Okay, we playing.
It's gonna take forever.
Because you switched the plan.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch back.
Listen, I'm afraid to stand next to y'all because y'all might hook me or catch me or something. You need some more weights? Huh? But it don't have no reel.
They get a real match the blue poles I got in the trunk.
Stop, Baba.
Oh, I got you.
I know. I feel like I got a muscle or like a
Hey, Taraya, grab this for Daddy.
Babe, what's them things called? Charlie horse. These some big hooks.
Daddy, I got a fish.
You got a fish?
Yeah.
You need a bottom rig.
What's a rig?
You said what's a rig?
These are rigs.
Yeah. The bottom rigs. But I'm not paying $3. I'll make one. I'm cheap, y'all. Don't mind me.
He can show you how to make one on his channel.
Whenever I make it, I still ain't made my channel.
Whenever he make it, cause he didn't make his channel. He don't know all you gotta do is pick up your camera and start recording. My allergies bothering me bad. So I guess he about to get something else. I don't know what though. It'd be helpful if they put stuff in the right places. What the heck?
They trying to get you.
Yeah.
Taraya, leave it alone, baby.
Whatever. I'm not about to fix that crap. That one don't extend.
No, bro, it look like we're offended.
Well, how much was this one?
26.
Or how much is the one to right? Tevin got. He might as well just get that one. The one that he got in his hand. So you gonna get this one? Oh Lord. Me 7. I'm hot too. So these is to pick the crabs up. Interesting, interesting.
Why don't you ask somebody?
Those are like, if you want to come down and bait fish, I can just stick this in the water and get some big fish.
Okay, so get that one.
But I can't.
These slots are way bigger too, so they'll easily break. Those are more tight.
So I should just wait and come back and get this one. I
Alright.
got the money for it. I just don't want to spend all the money. My brother know where he is different, but
How you know he not at work?
or I can get this one, get that one, and then just come back later and get this one.
It's up to you what you want to do. Leave that alone, Soraya. It's getting hot in here.
So if this one on that tray, how much is the one with the bigger holes? The black one with the bigger holes right there.
Probably that's the one that's $26.96.
No, this one right here said $26.96.
I don't know. They got stuff all in the wrong places, and then hate this Walmart.
Not going nowhere.
Pick that up and put it over there. I'll do it because you act like you're an old man.
That means for the dinner and put fishing food. And we grab it like this. I did it up. They were larger. They're trash or something.
Okay. That material feel a little bit better than the material too.
You want me to go walk over there and see how much it is? I'm gonna walk to that thing because that guy, he got attitude. Watch out, Tevin. Huh?
So I think this thing is really messed up.
I know where the other one is though. You coming with me, Soraya? Come on, you gotta walk faster. Come on, Bob. Here, right here. Baba. Come on. $17.96. Come on, Raya.
And online they got these joints online for the low, you know what I'm saying?
Put that back to Raya.
Look, Mommy.
I see it. I told y'all. Girl.
And if you gonna pay $12, you might just spend an extra $5. Right?
Cause the cast net meant for the little fish, right?
That's meant to catch your big fish. That one that's 20, the one that's $26.90. The one that's $26.96. You can catch big fish with that too.
Is this the thing where you put the thing in your mouth and you try to speak? Yup.
Look, Mommy.
Babe, would you want to play this? Huh? Would you want to play this?
Yeah, I would. How much is it?
It's $8.
Oh, you gotta get it?
Yeah, do you want this one? Fun with food? or not famous movie quotes, or all about sports and games, or misheard song lyrics.
Oh, you want to do fun with food?
Okay. Like, so we're gonna do. I wonder how many mouthpieces does it have in it though. It only has one mouthpiece. Huh?
You use the same one. It's on the menu. Look, check this out, right?
Hold on.
I'm asking you a question.
What's up?
So, you see, you said that one said 1775, right?
1760 something or something like that.
So ain't
But
that,
you know, if you order stuff online and pick it up in the store, it's always cheaper. Or you want this pie in the face thing. But then we're gonna have to buy whipped cream. What? No, you're not getting that. Your birthday and Christmas is coming up, so mommy and daddy gonna hook y'all up when it come that time. Yeah, that's girls' toys though. So y'all, I'm about to get this, so we can have a challenge on my channel, and I'm gonna put that Hot Cheetos and Takis video up today too. So what are you getting?
Oh, we can find you one. That ain't easy.
Come here, Tommy.
I'm in this.
You ready? My arm itch because it got wet.
Tabaria.
Are you gonna get that?
I might just get that one and then order that again offline.
All right, come on. We wasting time.
Which one you want to get?
So what we cooking for dinner?
Oh, man.
Y'all, should I start recording him cooking dinner? Comment down below if I should. Cause this is the one everybody does.
What?
This one. But I'm like, this might got like all of the different kinds. But I think this would be fine. Right?
Hey. Which one you want to get, Tevin?
This one. We just shared this
You don't want the big one?
one. They're too heavy for me.
Okay.
So it's too heavy for me. Come on, baby. Baby. What? What? What am I looking at? Oh boy, we gotta go see what Tevin see. What? Oh, that's cool. Who is that?
Not in the tree.
I thought you were looking at this.
I want it now.
No. Your birthday and Christmas is coming up.
I did it for Christmas.
Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Okay? Come on, Taraya. Bye-bye. We're leaving you. Whoa. Whoa. Ouch. She got my coat. She got my coat.
Whoa, that's cool.
Ooh, the light right there is bad. She pulling my pants down.
Tabaria, stop.
He saw that Lightning McQueen thing. He said, Mommy, me want it now. Shoot. You was gonna pay how much for them guns?
Like 30 dollars.
But me now.
I think this is a scope.
Uh-huh.
But me now, no more guns.
Whew. Something smell good. Smell like onions. You think so?
We're not spending time shopping.
You like that one better? Okay. Come on, Mom.
Yeah, Mom, shoulders made it so.
So this is the suit that you wear to work out in.
Mom, look, Mommy.
Oh, this is a lot we need for massage. Oh, look. I guess you could take this and put it on the floor and roll your foot on that. Ew, that don't sound right. A vibrating foot massager. Why would you want it to vibrate though?
Look, Daddy. Look, Daddy. Daddy, look. Why?
We got jump rope at the house.
This one waited.
Huh? How about you just tie some weights to your jump rope or jump rope?
You can't do that.
Yes, you can. Tie the weights to the handlebars and then hold the weights and then jump.
Then I have to buy weights.
You got weights.
I don't.
Yes, you do. They 40-pound weights.
They're gonna try to kill me.
I ain't trying to kill you. I'm trying to make you stronger. What don't kill you makes you stronger.
Look, Daddy. Mommy. Daddy, look. Look, Daddy.
It's alright. Let me see how heavy you are. I mean, how strong you are. Taraya, here. Let me see how strong you are. Oh, yeah. Oh. Give it to Tevin now. Let's see how strong he is. Oh, 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 oh. Hold this, Taraya.
Let me do it the other one.
Give me that weight back, boy. These are good to walk with. Right, babe? If you hold the weights in your hand and you walk or you run, that's good, right? You would try to get the heaviest one, right? No. That's a bad girl.
What is this?
It's a paddle. Come on. Come on, babe, so we can get out here and go fishing.
Okay, I'm gonna get the jump rope. That's it. Feel one of these.
Why shake her?
That's the weight. Slide over it.
I could have made you one of those. Get you one of them dollar jump ropes. Or get you 2 weights. You'd have been good. See, this is what I be looking up on YouTube. These Zumba things. Try to lose this gutty gut. Put it back. You're doing jumping jacks. Oh, hey, get it, Papa. Oh, get it. Oh, hey, oh. Exercise.
Let me do it.
Something to vibrate on your foot. Put it back.
Ain't no vibrator.
Let me do it.
Exercise.
Oh.
Put it back. Put it back.
Where's it go?
The one I gave you was like a pound.
This don't feel good.
Oh, I never knew you was into that kind of stuff.
I'll put it on your back.
We did do it. We did it for me.
I feel like it's shaking up my food.
You ain't got no food in your stomach.
Yes, I do. I ate that that rat.
Come on, Baba.
I told you to put that down.
It's only 3 pounds.
So what? It's 3 pounds too much weight on him.
This is for you when you're running around.
Yeah, I see now. Are you ready to rumble? Let's get ready to rumble. Oh, babe. Put that pillow back. That's what you would get for Christmas. You get a pillow. Keep on asking for stuff. You better love that pillow for the rest of your life. Phone. The phone is ringing. Hold on. I'll be right there.
That's not bad.
There's an animal in trouble. You have 40-pound ones.
It got up.
Oh, that's the dumbbells. That's the long ones, right? Oh, no, that's the short one. I don't know. My dad got a long one. Or do he got 2 short ones? I don't know. That guy has some stuff. How much are these highlighters? $3 for some highlighters?
Ooh, 22.
You need to be looking at this. There's some ugly picture frames. So ugly and stuff. No, Baba. Man, when my mom used to have to buy these right here, she used to get some brown paper bags and wrap my books up. She said, "I'm not buying you no daggone things," but then she started to buy them. It was like 50 cents or something like that. Hey, babe, look. Gel pens. They glittered gel pens. How much is this? Why is it so watery? That's weird. What you want for your birthday, Tevin? What else? Like, what do you want? Like, do you want Paw Patrol, PJ Masks, Lightning McQueen? What do you want? Lightning McQueen? Is this Marilyn Monroe? I look like her a little bit. I know I need to get my glue gun. Here go one. Oh no, that's an earwax cleaner. Babe, this is what you need. No, I'm serious. Like, instead of getting Q-tips, this go in just enough, and you press the button and it suck the earwax out your ears.
That sounds like it hurts.
It doesn't. You're not even supposed to put Q-tips in your ears.
I know.
It's not safe. Soraya, put that down. We got some of those in the house.
Now you want to get me now. Ah!
Somebody trying to play you. Trying to help you. Trying to help you. Eyes are trying to help you. You told Papa to beat me. I seen something over here, and I walked past it like 5 times. I found it. I don't need it though, cause I'm not married. Girl, pick that up. So people could pass. People could pass. People want to pass. I don't want to sit there and look at your mess that you made. There's an animal in trouble somewhere. Huh? Oh. What's gonna work? Teamwork. What you looking at, babe?
I was looking for a computer game.
A computer game?
Yeah. Want to work on that.
All I got is Samsung. Oh, here go one for my phone. I don't like that joint. Put it back. What's its bark? You silly. We finally made it out here to the pier. Hey, there's nobody out here for real. But I think it's low tide. We're gonna walk the mile, walking the mile. My phone cut off on me earlier. Only got a little bit of charge left, so I'm not gonna be vlogging this whole trip. But I will be taking pictures and putting it into my video. So if we catch anything other than the cold. Come on, Soraya. But yeah, so I'll see you guys soon.